let me first, you said that the right of people to vote and the government is under obligation to arrange. Yes, the government is under obligation to arrange for, but as I said that my constitution also provides a scheme that elections should be conducted in a manner which is apparently transparent, fair, free and just, and for that matter election commission is the authority. It is the satisfaction of election commission if the environment is conducive, one. Number two, the security situation is actually alarming right now. The security forces are engaged in counter-terrorism operations. They are also guarding the borders, which is their primary duty. They also sought some time to settle these things and they'll be available thereafter, and it was only thereafter that election commission also thought it appropriate, keeping in mind that the rest of the three assemblies would also complete their tenure, and let's go for elections to the entire country at one and the same time, and it's also around the corner. I mean, it's not far away. And as I said, that our constitution provides a complete scheme. Now, if somebody says that he has to look into only one provision of the constitution, which bounds down that election has to be conducted within 90 days, that period has almost elapsed. In any case, if elections are held in Punjab and then in KPK, it would be held beyond that 90 days capping. Now, if we are already not within that scheme, within that limit of time, why don't we then accept the constitution scheme as a whole in its entirety? So it would strengthen the political regimes in Pakistan, the political institutions, instead of going for piecemeal elections and going for controversial elections. So this is one of the reasons why Election Commission was convinced in that way.